Add the stunning effect of full panel glass to your outdoor area with the eye-catching Invisirail glass line, an exquisite deck railing system that demands attention while opening up your backyard view. So whether you're cozied up on the coast or getting lost in the woods, Invisirail helps your home blend into your natural surroundings. This is a quick guide to installing Invisirail for your home, and as always, check your local building codes before starting your install. What you need: Invisirail posts, stainless steel glass clamps, Invisirail glass panels, 2 spare pieces of 2x4 or 4x4 wood, a tape measure, bolts, structural screws or legs, a level or speed square, acorn nuts, a 5/32 hex key, drill. Included: post skirt. Recommended but not necessary: 4 Invisirail spacer blocks, shims, and Invisirail bolt chart. The Invisirail line can be installed simply with a few components. However, your railing plan is a crucial part of the setup. That's why estimators from both DecksDirect and Invisirail create and design your material list per your deck's specifications. Be sure to double-check your layout with the diagram included in your order prior to mounting anything. It's also important to remember that 2 people will be needed to install the full glass panels safely. Position your Invisirail posts per your layout and loosely drill 4 structural legs or screws through the corner holes of your base plate and into the deck surface. With fasteners roughly halfway in, use your level or speed square to check that the posts are plumb. Adjust your posts as needed by adding stainless steel washers or shim material underneath the base plate until the post is fully level. Slide the one-piece post skirts in place over the Invisiposts. Measure the opening between the posts. Always measure from the center of the post to the other center of the post and at the deck surface, as that distance can't be altered or changed. This measurement must be accurate within 1/16 of an inch for glass installation, so be sure to double-check and confirm your measurements. With your posts in place, it's time to prepare and install the brackets for your section, starting with those at the top. Invisirail glass panels come with 2 top holes and 2 bottom notches as connection openings. Invisirail sections can have 4 connector pins installed to secure glass to the posts. However, the minimum should be at least 1 connector pin per side. Disassemble the stainless steel glass clamps by removing the 2 main screws and pulling them apart. Keep all pins and bushings in a safe place until they are later used or discarded. Install only the outer half of the connectors to the post. The remaining half will be installed later with the glass panel. Use the included Invisirail bolt chart to determine the bolt size needed for your application. Put a 5/16 inch by 1 inch bolt through the center hole on the back of the clamp and then through the post. On the outside face of the post, attach the included acorn nut to the bolt. Repeat for the similar bottom stainless steel glass clamp. With brackets in place, use 2 short pieces of scrap 2x4 or 4x4 material as support blocks for the glass while installing. Locate the correct glass panel for your section per your railing layout, and carefully set it into position with the notches in the bottom panel on the edge. Fasten the top connectors in your section first. Place the pin through the glass and slide the remaining connector halfway into position. The back half of the connector must be completely flush with the front half to ensure the pin is in the holes in both halves of the connector. Tighten the bracket screws enough to hold connectors together, but not enough to squeeze tightly against the glass. Repeat this step first with the top two connectors, then with the bottom two connectors. Once the pins are well aligned, completely tighten the screws. Getting the breathtaking look you've always wanted for your home has never been more straightforward and achievable than with the Invisirail glass system. In stock and available today at DecksDirect.com. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.